वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल कलताज स्टडी अड्डा। स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम इस वीडियो में देखेंगे क्लास 7 साइंस का चैप्टर 5 एसिड्स बेसिस एंड साल्ट्स। आज हम इस वीडियो में इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर सॉल्व करेंगे। क्वेश्चन 1, स्टेट डिफरेंस बिटवीन एसिड्स एंड बेसिस। स्टूडेंट्स, हम कॉलम बनाकर यदि डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छे से समझ में भी आता है और लर्न करते टाइम भी हमको परेशानी नहीं होती है। तो हमने कॉलम बना लेंगे एसिड्स एंड बेसिस। First point, acids taste is sour, bases taste is bitter. Second point, when we added acids to the litmus solution, it turns red. Second point, bases, when we added bases to the litmus solution, it turns blue. Examples: curd, lemon juice and vinegar are acids. Basis examples: baking soda, soap, lime water. Question 2. Ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaners. It turns red litmus to blue. What is its nature? Answer: ammonia has basic nature because it turns red litmus to blue. Question 3. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? Answer: litmus solution is extracted from lichen or lichen. It is used to determine whether the given solution is acidic or basic. Question 4. Is the distilled water acidic, basic, neutral? How would you verify it? Answer: distilled water will be neutral. We can verify it by showing that neither blue nor red litmus paper changes its color when dipped in it. Students, if we dipped blue litmus paper in distilled water, there is no change in color of litmus paper, and when we dipped red litmus paper in distilled water, there is no changes in its color. So distilled water is neutral in nature. Question 5. Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Antacid like milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide, baking soda, etc., which contain a base, are used for reducing acidity in the stomach when excessive acid is released by glands. Example of neutralization reaction: HCl, which is acid, plus NaOH, which is base, arrow NaCl, which is salt, plus H2O, which is water. तो यहाँ जो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन है, इसमें HCl एंड NaOH विच आर जो कि एसिड एंड बेसिस हैं, मिलकर सॉल्ट बना रहे हैं, और H2O मीन्स वाटर बन रहा है और हीट इवोल्यूट हो रही है। क्वेश्चन 6. मार्क T if the statement is true and F if it is false. First, nitric acid turns red litmus blue. False. Sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. False. Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form salt and water. True. Indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solution. Answer: true. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of a base. Answer: false. Question 7. Dorji has a few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant. but unfortunately these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customers. One customer wants an acidic drink, another wants basic, and the third one wants a neutral drink. How will Dorji decide which drink is to be served to whom? Answer: Dorji can decide with the help of litmus paper the drink which could turn a red litmus to blue would be basic. If the drink turned a blue litmus to red, it would be acidic. Third, the drink which would not affect both red and blue litmus would be neutral. So, Dorji can use litmus indicator to solve his problem. Question 8. Explain why. A. An antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. Answer: we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia to neutralize the excessive acid released in the stomach. B. Calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bites. Answer: ant inject an acidic liquid called formic acid into the skin on biting, which causes inflammation to the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing calamine solution, which contain zinc carbonate, which is a very weak base and causes no harm to the skin. C. Factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into the water bodies. Answer: the wastes of factories contain acids. If acids are disposed of in the water body, the acids will harm the organism. So, factory wastes are neutralized by adding basic substances. Question 9. Three liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another is sodium hydroxide, and the third one is a sugar solution. How will you identify them? You have only a turmeric indicator. Answer: name of the substances effect on turmeric indicator. Hydrochloric acid, it's turn yellow to blue. Sodium hydroxide, it's turn yellow to red. Sugar solution, there is no change on turmeric indicator. Question 10. Blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. What is the nature of solution? Explain. Answer: it can be identified on the basis of the following observation. Bases change the color of litmus paper to blue. As the color of blue litmus paper is not affected, the solution must be basic. If the solution is neutral, even then the color of litmus will not change. So, given solution is either basic or neutral. Consider the following statements. A. Both acids and bases change color of all indicators. B. If an indicator gives a color change with an acid, it does not give a change with a base. C. If an indicator changes color with a base, it does not change color with an acid. D. Change of color in an acid and a base depends on the type of the indicator. Which of these statements are correct? First, all four. Second, A and D. Third, B and C. Fourth, only D. Answer: second, A and D. Because acid and bases are both change of all indicators, and color of acid and base is depend on the type of indicator. So A and D is correct answer. Some important questions for examination point of view. Question 1. What is the taste of acids and bases using litmus paper? Answer. Acid turn blue litmus paper red, while bases turn red litmus paper blue. Second question. What name is given to those substances which do not change the color of either red or blue litmus paper? Answer. The solutions or substances which do not change the color of either red or blue litmus paper are neutral. Question 3. Write the name of two indicators which occur naturally. Answer. Turmeric. Second, China rose. Question 4. Name the acid present in lemon juice and tomatoes. Answer. Citric acid in lemon juice and oxalic acid in tomatoes. Question 5. Name a substance which is used to cure the discomfort caused by indigestion due to overeating. Answer. Milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide. Base is used to neutralize the effect of excessive acid in the stomach. Question 6. Why does a turmeric stain on white shirt turn to red when it is washed with soap? Answer. Turmeric stain on white shirt turns to red when it is washed with soap because the soap solution is basic in nature. Question 7. Is lime water an acidic or a basic solution? Answer. Lime water, calcium hydroxide, is a basic solution. Question 8. Name the reaction when an acid is mixed with base. Answer. Neutralization reaction. Question 9. Which acid is injected into our body by an ant sting that causes pain? Answer. The acid is formic acid, which is injected into the skin of a person when an ant bites and get inflammation. Question 10. Name the salt formed when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide solution, a base. Answer. When hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide solution, then sodium chloride salt is formed. HCl means hydrochloric acid, NaOH means sodium hydroxide. जब इन दोनों को मिलाया जाता है तो NaCl मीन्स सोडियम क्लोराइड साल्ट फॉर्म होता है और वाटर फॉर्म होता है. 11. Write two basic substances which we use in our daily life. Answer. Baking soda, soap or detergent. Question 12. A. Name one indicator which turns red on adding an acid. Name one indicator which turns red on adding a base. Means ऐसे इंडिकेटर का नाम बताना है जो एसिड मिलाने पर भी रेड कलर में कन्वर्ट हो जाए और बेस मिलाने पर भी रेड कलर में चेंज हो जाए. आंसर. ए. ब्लू लिटमस पेपर एंड बी. टर्मरिक. Question 13. Write the characteristics of acid by which we can identify acids. Answer. Characteristics of acids are: first, they are sour in taste. Second, they turn blue litmus paper solution into red. Third, dilution of acid in water is an exothermic reaction. Example: heat energy is evolved. मीन्स जब हम एसिड को किसी भी एसिड को वाटर से डाइल्यूट करते हैं तो हीट इवॉल्व होती है. मीन्स टेस्ट ट्यूब गर्म हो जाती है. 14. Which of the following are acidic and which are basic? Lime water, vinegar, toothpaste, stomach juices, lemon juice, baking soda solution, milk of magnesia, ammonia solution. Acidic in nature, vinegar, stomach juice, lemon juice. Basic in nature, lime water, toothpaste, baking soda solution, milk of magnesia, ammonia solution. Question 15. How is lime water prepared in the laboratory? Answer. To prepare lime water, dissolve some lime chuna in water in a bottle, stir the solution and keep it for some time. Pour a little more from the top. This is lime water. स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। यदि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया है तो आप इसको लाइक कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं और इसी प्रकार के वीडियोस पाने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।